Yeah, you are visible, ma'am. I can see you.
But your picture quality is little bit blurred.
I think so. I'm not getting a proper network connection. That's why it is happening.
Okay, from where you are?
I am from Jharkhand. I live in
Okay,
Ranchi.
have you started?
Yeah, I have started recording. There is any problem if I record this video?
No, 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 no. Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah, I am a new YouTuber. I have just started my YouTube journey.
Okay, 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 okay. No problem. No issues.
That's why
Okay,
I
so
wanted to have conversation with you, ma'am. I have just started my YouTube journey. Yeah, you can say 15 days ago I created my YouTube channel.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
So good evening, As
Good evening,
Aslam,
ma'am.
right?
Yeah, my name is Aslam. Yeah.
Okay,
What's
okay.
your good name, ma'am?
Are you?
What's your good name? May I know your good name?
Yeah, I'm Preeti. And how do you know about me?
Actually, one day I was like watching video. That time I got your conversation video.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. That time I came to know about you. Like you are an English teacher and you teach in school. I think so.
Yeah,
As
yeah.
far as my knowledge, yeah, you teach in school.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so with a stranger, I think it would be good to introduce each other.
Yeah, why not, ma'am? My name is Muhammad Aslam. I am from Jharkhand, and if I talk about my profession, I am a graphic designer. I work in company, and if I talk about my hobbies, then I like to play cricket and football. That's all about me. It was my sort of introduction. So, could you tell me something about yourself?
Yeah, great to hear about you. It's my turn right now. I'm Preeti, and I'm a teacher. I'm from Haryana, India. And
Yeah.
apart from my teaching, I run my two YouTube channel. One is Easy Way to Learn with Preeti. That is my study channel. Another one is Easy Way Blog. That is my blogging channel. So I run two YouTube channels. That's all about me. If you want to ask, you can feel free to ask any question.
Okay. So, I know you are a teacher. So, what type of subject do you teach, ma'am? And you teach in school or you teach in at home?
No, no, I'm taking offline classes. Like I'm a teacher in a school, and
Okay, in a
my
school.
yeah, my subjects are English and SSC.
Okay. So since when have you been teaching? And when did you start to teaching English language?
I have been in teaching profession more than it's more than 10 years.
Okay, you have been teaching for 10.
That can't be a English journey. That time I just started teaching. I started my teaching profession as a PRT, like as a mother teacher first. So that time I was taking all subjects. I started as a mother teacher of second class. So
Okay.
from there I started my teaching, and with the time I improved my English speaking, as well as I gained my confidence, and I increased my qualifications also. And after completing my master degree, and because if I talk about my educational qualifications, so in starting I did MBA first. Okay,
Okay.
because I wanted to go in corporate that time. Then yes, I got married, and then my ambitions was changed because of some responsibilities. So that's why I did a master degree in English literature. Then I started my teaching. Yes. So
Okay.
in starting I was teaching only PRT classes, and gradually when I completed my educational qualification as a teacher, so then I improved. Like now I'm posting as a TGT English teacher, TGT English and SST. Yes, and I gained the confidence, and I gained the experience of PRT, TGT, and PGT, every type of teachers. And
Okay. So
if I talk about my YouTube journey, so I started my channel in 2022.
22.
Yes, yes.
How did you improve your language? Like, what did you do to enhance your English communication skill, and how did you how do you overcome to this language?
Hmm. Yes, be honest and frankly speaking. Starting, I was using just transform method, which generally a teacher followed in every state, I think, because I am from Haryana and here my native language is Hindi, and my educational background is also from Hindi medium. So,
Okay.
and yes, right now you can notice like in Haryana, in all over the India, I think most of schools are from English medium, like fully CBSE board.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm also teaching in a CBSE board school that is totally English medium school. And yes, in starting I was not up to date with the rules and regulations of schools, curriculum, and teaching profession. But yes, gradually with the passing of time, I'm updating myself and I'm learning. You can say I'm a learner right now. Every day I'm
So
learning something new
uh,
from other side.
who inspired you that you should learn English language, and you did English language? Who inspired you?
Nobody inspired me, I think, because it's my profession and which I observed in my profession. Like English is not only a subject; it's a language right now everywhere. If you want to get good job, and if you want to crack any interview, anyhow, you have to overcome the fear and you should boost your confidence because of just get the good job. So in starting, I was also rejected in some interviews because of the lacking confidence in while speaking English. But yes, I'm working in a school, and I'm working the same school from last 4 years. So I'm fully satisfied right now with my job. And yes, somehow I learned a lot of things from YouTube as well as from my colleagues and my students side.
Okay, so you have faced the interview. That time you were rejected. That time you realized that you should learn English language.
Yeah, you can say, and it's my profession also because my subject is also English. So anyhow,
Okay.
it's compulsory to speak English every time.
Okay, so how do you see to English language? Like, how is going to help you in future? Like, do you think that if you will be better in English language, then this language will be open many opportunity for you?
Connection. No doubt, English is a global language, and not only global language. In if you want to survive like with a good job, so anyhow you have to command over this language because without proper fluency and without proper pronunciation, you can't crack any interview. You can't get a good job. So it's the ambition and it's the aim of everyone's life to get name, fame, and money. So if you want to get good job and if you want to get name and fame, so you have to definitely you have to overcome the fear and hesitation related to this language. So it's my personal experience because I am also doing job continuously. I am doing teaching. So
Yeah.
from where I started my teaching and right now where I am working. So till now I found a drastic change in myself. Even now, I am always think I'm a learner randomly and gradually and regularly. I'm learning something new from my learner side, from my student side. So I think it should be necessary and need like need of survive na like water,
Yeah.
shelter and food. Same as English is the basic need of today's lifestyle, which I personally, it's my personal opinion. Because anyhow, if someone is not observing like English is must for today's survival, so I think in their later part of life, they will definitely realize this. Like English is really, really very important.
Yeah. So after 10 years or 20 years, how do you see English language, that this language will be spoken by all Indian people or not, or 80% or 90%? How do you see to this language after 20 years or 30 years? Like English language will be spoken by all Indian people or not? What do you think? Like, what's your opinion?
I think which is the current scenario related to English and communication skills. So right now I can say like everywhere this is the courage, and it's not
Yeah.
only courage. Somehow we always imagine like it is a status symbol also if someone is
Yeah.
speaking good English. So I think right now we can say it like 60 to 70% population of Indian people can speak good English right now. And if I imagine about the future, like after 10 or 20 years, so I think in future definitely it will be a normal language like a native language. Everywhere it will be spoken everywhere.
I have one question that I have watched many YouTuber video. They like say I have improved my English communication within 6 months. Some YouTubers say like I have improved my English communication within 1 year. If I ask you that how many years did you take to learn English language? Exactly, if you say that, how many years did you take to learn English language?
To be frank, Aslam, I think there is a no time limit and foundations for, and we can't say like particular 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year is sufficient to learn anything, to learn any language, because it's depend on the person how much time and what is your inner desire. Like if you want to learn English just for communication, I think within 2 or 3 months, 6 months if you are using your time like 1 hour daily for practice, so that depend on the person's personal desire and your time consuming, how much time and how much efforts you are using for to learn that language. So it's depend on that. And sometimes I also found this type of advertisement on the institution's wall, like within 90 days you can learn, you can be a fluent English speaker. So I think those are false advertisement about English, because I think there is a I also found this type of student like continue they are going in any institution till 1 year, even then they are not able to frame a single sentence. So
Okay.
speaking and communication is totally different from writing and learning. Because yes, in school, what we are doing in school, I think till 12th class, from nursery to till 12th, we all are learning English. Even though I think out of maybe out of 500, only 50 to 70% students are able to speak English fluently. So it's
So
depends on your inner desire.
which type of opportunity this language will open for those people who are learning English language and they want to learn English language? So which type of opportunity this language will open in future?
Definitely, if you have a good command over English, so I think you can get different opportunities in different departments. Not only in India, you can do online work, and nowadays this is a great opportunity you can say, because many housemakers or many male and female are doing online work, work from home. They are doing, and I think if you are doing this type of work, everywhere you have to face English. So if you have good command over English, you can definitely earn good money, as well as you can get good job also. And if you want to go to abroad for further study, so that time also English will really beneficial, because English is only one language which is widely spoken in national and international level.
Yeah. How much important is grammar?
Hmm. I think for this question, I always give the same answer. Like first, always ask the question why. Why you are learning English? If you want to just learn English to for communication. So
Yeah.
in that case, yes, in that case you should not bother about grammar rules and regulations. And if you are at the beginning stage, so in that stage, I think you should not indulge and you should not focus more and more only grammar, because grammar syllabus is very vast. And once if you are at the intermediate level, so in that stage you definitely learn grammar rules and definitely work on grammar also, because grammar is the backbone of English. Without grammar, we can't. Yes, we can't be fluent. We can't be expert without grammar. But yes, only just for speaking, you need to learn and focus simple grammar topics like subject verb agreement and articles and simple present, simple past, and simple future. These all simple topics.
You have told me that you are from Haryana. Am I right?
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah, I have heard about Haryana. There are many historical places, and many foreigner people come to Haryana to see like historical place. So, did you get any chance to talk with foreigner people?
Whenever I visited in yes, I visited in Rajasthan in Jaipur, and yes, hilly area that is in Himachal
Okay.
Pradesh, and New Delhi. Also, there are so many tourist places. So that time, yes, I got so many chances to speak
Okay.
with foreigners.
So, have you talked with foreigner people? Because I'm very curious. I'm very curious to talk with the foreigner guys.
Yeah, sometimes only for they usually use broken sentences also, not for
Okay.
long. Not for long conversation, but yes, simple sentences I talk with them.
Okay. So they speak like grammatically correct, or they are like spoken also like Indian, like this Indian people.
If we talk about the accent, so they are if they are speaking with their partners, so that time it is really difficult to understand because they are
Okay.
very fluent in their British accent and American accent. But yes, if they are speaking with any Indian, so that time they generally use broken English. Like
Broken.
yeah, they use simple English, simple that time, and they also do mistakes.